The UK resumes priority and super priority visa processing for visit, work, and study visa, but not for family visas, with some conditions to some of these visas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinemerem, and if you are stopping by for the very first time, hello, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And to my amazing returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. It's such a good news that the UK have decided to reintroduce the priority and super priority visas. However, they have not resumed it for those applying for family visas. Now, super priority and priority visas are some kind of fast track visas. So instead of waiting for like 28 days, which is the normal standard visa processing time, you can pay for the priority or super priority one. For the priority one, you could get a decision in 5 working days from the day you applied for your visa. And for the super priority one, you could get a decision the next working day from the day you applied for your visa. This was suspended during the Ukrainian crisis, and that's because there was so much pressure on the UK immigration, because people from the Ukraine were trying to move to the UK at that point, and they were being considered. So the UK thought it was okay to consider those people over those that are coming for just to study and to work and the rest. Now I think everything is cooling down a bit, and the UK feel okay, it is okay to now bring back our priority and super priority visas. So yes, the super priority and priority visas are now available from the 12th of August 2022. Now, the conditions on some of these visas. So the only condition on this visa is for visit visa. If you're going for a visit visa and you want the priority service, the UK have also stated that they will reduce the number of priority visas they attend to. So if you're going for priority, just know that the numbers that will be accepted for a particular day or in a particular time will be reduced. But if you're applying for a visit visa and you want to pay for the super priority service, there is no kind of reduction to the number of super priority applications they would accept. For work and study visa, including the global talent visa, it remains the same. The priority and super priority visas have been resumed, and there is no kind of reduction whatsoever. So this is the best time for you to start applying for your visas if you want a fast track decision on your visas. Don't forget as well that you can also go for the standard visa application. Because the priority and the super priority ones are definitely more costly than the standard visa application fee. So if you don't have enough money, or if you're not in so much hurry to travel, you can go for the standard visa application. How to book your priority and super priority visas appointment? You would normally book this online. So you do this online when you are filling your application form, and you get to that point where they will ask you, do you want the standard, priority, or super priority one? That's where you pick what you want, whether you want the standard or the priority or super priority. So if you go online and you don't see options for priority or super priority visas, if you are going for a visit, work, or study visa and you don't see these options, then know that the numbers they can accept in a week have been taken. So you may want to book for the next week or for the next month, depending on when there is another availability. If you're going for the priority visas, the price is usually £500, and if you are applying for maybe 2 or 3 other family members, you also pay additional £500 for each of them. If you're going for the super priority one and you'd want to pay for additional family members, you'd have to pay £800 for each of the family member you are paying for. So if you are applying for your family, and at the same time, every member of the family will get a decision at the same time. So you can't say, okay, you are applying at the same time with your family, and you are applying for priority for yourself and applying for standard for your family member. No. So if you're going for a faster decision, it must be same for everyone, because the decision will be made for everyone at the same time. But if you want to apply for yourself for the priority and then for your family members for the standard, you have to apply alone for yourself for the priority, and then your family members can now apply together for the standard. If you apply together with your family and for some reason one of the family members have to come to the application center for something, maybe to verify something or to add fingerprints or to do something, your visas may take longer than 5 days or 1 working day. It will not come 5 days after that family member have rectified whatever they need to rectify. I don't know if that makes sense, but I will leave a link in my description so that you can check out all these things. You can read it up for yourself as well, and you will know what suits you best. There are some countries that you can go for a faster decision time, and the countries, I will leave a link in my description as well, so you can check out if your country is on there, and then you can apply. Of course, Nigeria is on there, so if you're from Nigeria and you're watching me, then don't be scared, because the priority and super priority services are now open for Nigerians. But for other countries, I am not very sure, so I'll have to leave the link in the description so that you can check if it is available in your country at the moment. And now this is the update I thought I should bring to you guys, especially the students that are coming to the UK very, very soon. If you are a prospective student coming to the UK soon and you're watching me right now, hello, I hope to see you very, very soon. My channel has all the content you need as a student to survive in the UK, to go through life in the UK, to do 1 or 2 things in the UK, and even your moving guide from your country to the UK. So you have to check out my videos for your moving guide, for the things you need to consider before moving to the UK to start your program. And I wish you guys all the very, very best. And to the workers, hope to see you all soon as well. And to the visitors, hope to see you soon too. And that's me saying thank you guys for watching. Until I see you again in the next one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Do take care, stay safe, and bye.